Hello friends, welcome back to my channel. In this video we are going to be discussing about multiplication of decimals. So let's get started. Objectives. In this video we are going to be discussing about multiplication of decimals by a whole number and multiplication of decimals by a decimal. Multiplication of decimals by a whole number. Write the numbers one below the other is step 1. Step 2 is multiply as if you're multiplying whole numbers. Multiplication of decimal by a decimal. Step 1. Write the numbers one below the other, making sure that the decimals are lined up. Step 2. Make the numbers like decimals. Step 3. Multiply as if you're multiplying whole numbers. Step 4. Add the number of digits after the decimal point and keep the decimal point after the sum number of digits from the right end. You will understand this clearly when we do some problems. Let's practice some examples to get better. So the first example is 516.16 into 8. So when we multiply these two numbers by ignoring the decimal point as if they are whole numbers, completely ignoring the decimal point, then we'll get the answer as 4,12,628. When we add the decimal point, we will get the answer as 4,126.28. The next problem is 4,267.13 into 5.4. So when we multiply both of these numbers without taking the decimal point, we will get the answer as 23,04,25,020. Then when we add the decimal point, so what we have to do to add the decimal point, in the first number the decimal point is after 2 digits from the right side. So 2 plus, in the second number the decimal point is after 2 digits from the right side as well. So 2 plus 2 equals 4. So in the answer, we will keep the decimal point after 2 digits, after 4 digits from the right side. So we'll get the answer as 23,042.5020. And we can ignore the 0 in the last, so we'll get the answer as 23,042.502. The next example is 542.462 into 48. So by ignoring the decimal point, multiplying completely as if there are no decimal points, as if they are whole numbers, we will get the answer as 2,60,38,176. After adding the decimal point, we'll get the answer as 26,038.176. So the next question is 4,129.5 into 4.9. So after multiplying as if there are no decimal point, as if they are whole numbers, we will get the answer as 20,23,455. And then when we add the decimal point, we will get the answer as 20,234.55. And that's it for today's video. So thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you in my next video. Bye.